To resolve the PayPal couldn't confirm its URL issue, follow these steps. Go to the PayPal login page and instead of logging in, click on Forgotten Password. Enter the email or username associated with your PayPal account and proceed. Choose the option to receive an SMS with a security code on the mobile number linked to your PayPal account. Confirm your authorization by using the phone number you have access to and enter the numeric security code you receive. After this step, you will be prompted to create a new password. Once you've updated your password, return to the PayPal login page, enter your new password, and click Login to access your account. If this method doesn't work, try clearing your browsing data by going to History, Ctrl+H, selecting Clear Browsing Data, and ensuring that cookies and cached data are selected before clicking Clear Now. Then, attempt to log into PayPal again. These are the steps to resolve the PayPal couldn't confirm its URL issue. If you find this information helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel.